Good morning everyone. Myself B Saisreevani and I am studying in class 10th. Today I would like to talk about transportation. Transportation is one of the most important life process because materials required for the nutrition, respiration and excretion are supplied by the transport system. Heart, blood vessels and the blood are the three parts of transport system. Heart is a muscular organ which is in the size of a fist. Heart pumps the blood into the blood vessels. Has mainly two main functions. They are it has to carry the deoxygenated blood from the body parts and should supply them to the lungs. This action is carried out by the right side chambers, namely right ventricle and right atrium. Second, it has to collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs and should supply them to the body parts. This action is carried out by the left side chambers, namely left ventricle and left atrium. And the arteries and veins are separated by the partition called septum. Septum helps to avoid the mixing of the deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. Now we shall discuss about the blood vessels. Blood vessels are further classified into two main types. They are arteries and veins. Arteries. This carry the oxygenated blood from the heart to all the body parts. Veins. This carry the deoxygenated blood from the heart to all the body parts. Arteries have valves inside it and also they have thick walls. Veins have walls inside them, whereas arteries does not have valves inside them. Now we shall discuss about the blood. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. Blood is red in color due to the presence of the pigment called hemoglobin, which has the ability to bind the oxygen inside it. Blood is further classified into three main types. They are WBC, RBC cells and platelets. WBC cells helps to fight against the diseases and infections. Platelets helps in the clotting of the blood. Lymph or fluid tissue helps in the transportation of digested and absorbed fats from the intestine. Now we shall see how the transportation process happens in plants. In plants, the transportation involves water, the movement of water, minerals and nutrients by the vascular bundle, that is xylem and phloem. Xylem carries the water and minerals from the root to the rest of the plant, while the phloem carries the sugars and other inorganic matter from the leaves to all the rest of the plant. Thank you.